Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center model MV4020L, serial number NM5100364. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 0i MC control, 12,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. It's running right now, 2,500 RPM. We're going to go up. That's 5,000 RPM. Machine is nice and quiet. 7,500 RPM. It has a 30-tool automatic side-mounted tool changer, chip conveyor, coolant system, also a spider cool, 20 horsepower spindle motor. FANUC drives and motors. That's simulating a tool change. You have weight covers all axes. It's original paint. Table size is 19.7 by 47.2. You have 40 inches in x-axis travel, 20 in the y, and 24.6 in the z. The z-axis, your y, and your X. Machine is nice and quiet. Okay, thank you for watching our video.